In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can activate the dark mode for your Elementor editor, and it's very easy to do. And the first thing you have to do is you have to open the Elementor editor, and it can be with a page or a post or a header or whatever. But I will give an example for the home page, so it doesn't matter which part you will open now. So after you have opened a certain part of your website, then you will see the Elementor editor over here on the side, and what you need to do to activate the dark mode is you first have to go to the hamburger menu over here at the top corner, and you click on it, and then you will have the option user preferences. Now you need to click on it, and over here you see the option UI theme, and by default it's on auto detect, but you need to change that to dark. And when you have done that, you see that the editor is now in the dark mode. So if you like this, you can use it. So now it's like this. So if you think that looks better, or it's better for your eyes or whatever, now you know how you can set this up. So it's easy to do. And if you want to change it back, you go to the hamburger menu again, click on user preferences, go to the first option, and then you can set it to auto detect, or you can just select light, and now it's in the default color again. So that's how it's done. Now you know what you need to do. I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something new from it. So if that's the case, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell if you want to stay up to date for new videos that I will be uploading. So with that being said, I hope you have a nice day. Good luck with designing your websites, and I hope to see you again in the next video.